Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to find the zip code on your Cash App card. It's a simple process and you can do it right from your phone. Start by opening the Cash App and signing into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will open your account and settings page. From here, find and tap on the option labeled Personal. This section contains your personal information linked to your Cash App account. Now scroll down through the Personal section. You will see your bio, your account information, and finally your address. Under the Address section, your full mailing address will be displayed, including your zip code. The zip code you see here is the one connected to your Cash App card. If you need to make changes, just tap on the address. You can edit the zip code or replace the entire address if needed. Keep in mind, the zip code shown here is used as the billing zip code for your Cash App card. So make sure it matches the zip code you use when making purchases online or in stores, especially if the merchant asks for a billing zip code during checkout. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.